Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to create authentication system using Bootstrap 5 in Laravel 12 application. So by default Laravel 12 starter kit are not supporting Bootstrap application, so we need to use Laravel UI for the authentication. So that already Laravel 12 added support for the Laravel 12. You can see over here in composer.json there is a 10 11 into 11 12, so they added Laravel 12 support. So basically you can use authentication system using Bootstrap 5. Okay, so let me go here and let's check with the new install. Okay, so I will say Laravel new. Okay, and I will, you can see that it asking for the project name, so I will say app Bootstrap 5. Okay, and then it will ask for starter kit, so I will choose none because I don't want to use default starter kit. I will use Laravel UI, so click on it and it will download all the composite dependencies of the Laravel 12. So let's wait a moment to install all the dependencies. And it will ask for the which database you want to install, so I will keep SQLite for now. Okay, and then it will ask for the npm install, so I will say no for now because right now we choose starter kit none, so I will say no and hit enter. And you can see that it's created new app Bootstrap 5. Okay, so let me go here, Bootstrap 5. Okay, and now let me go to my text editor and open the project. So let me go here and refresh. Yeah, I will choose app Bootstrap 5. Okay, and then it will open the Bootstrap 5 application. Yeah, and now let me go to the composer.json and you can see that Laravel 12. So now what I will do, go here in composer, okay, GitHub website, and I will install Laravel UI. So copy this command, go to the terminal and run the Laravel UI and hit enter. Let's wait a moment to install Laravel UI. Okay, now install, and now you can go to the documentation and there is a already provide command artisan UI bootstrap auth, so that means it will provide all the authentication, login, register and dashboard. So let me go here and hit enter and it will ask to replace the controller, so I will say yes. Okay, and then you can see that it will asking for the npm install and npm run dev, so I will say npm install and then I will run npm run build command. Okay, so let's wait a moment to install the npm. npm install successfully. Now npm run build, so I will build the application. Okay, so let's wait a moment to build all the css and js. Okay, now it's done and let me run the application php artisan serve. Okay, and now let me go here and go to the home page. Yeah, and you can see that there is a locate manifest file, there is a problem. So what I will do, go here and go to the resource and welcome, and then I will keep this style, so cut this and paste it. Okay, save it. Okay, and now if I refresh it, now you can see that new dashboard with the Laravel 12 and there is a register and login page. If I click on register, you can see over here this is the Bootstrap 5 new design. So Laravel 12 added Bootstrap 5 supports. If you are say Control U, go to the CSS and you can see that Bootstrap 5 version. Before it was Bootstrap 4, so that's why right now added Bootstrap 5. So let me go here and register new user. So I will say Hardik Savani and let me set the password and register. Yeah, so now you can see that it's simple dashboard that it was before. Like Laravel 12 has not updated like design and anything like starter kit has does. So this is very simple, and let me go and log out. You can see that there is a login page and you can also use the forgot password. So that means the simple authentication they provided, and you can use it for later like for the Bootstrap 5 theme, and if you have an admin template then you can easily integrate. So now let me go here into the project. So they already created bled files over here. You can see that login page, register and verify. Same thing for the layout, they set up with the simple layout file with the container class. Okay, and then home page, Okay, so very simple, and then you can easily overwrite and use the new Bootstrap 5 template with that. So I hope guys you easily understand how we can install Laravel 12 with the Bootstrap 5. Okay, so if you like this video, then please share with your friends and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much for watching guys.